Shoot, I didn't even see you guys over there. We're making a cup of coffee and we're gonna go into some of the best 5 cheap dividend stocks that you can get today to grow that investment portfolio. When I first started investing, I actually started with dividend stocks. I was very intrigued at the idea of making a passive income from something that all you had to do is purchase. We actually see that Fidelity has done a recent study showing that 40% of the market growth is from dividend stocks alone, because AT&T is going to be the first stock we're talking about, and they are undervalued. So AT&T is going for about 19.65 per share as we speak, but the value is about $25 per share. So it's about a 76% undervalue ratio. 26 investment analysts have projected this to grow 11% by 2024, and the current value is supposed to be $25, but the average share as we speak is going for about 19.65, which is 6% currently. It's a great dividend return for such a great company that's been established for such a long time. Unity Group. One thing you're gonna notice in all these stocks that I'm discussing, they all have a need. Therefore, there's a demand and a supply. And Unity does that, an infrastructure network. Right now, they're trading about 3.17 per share, and they have a crazy 18.93% dividend yield. That is amazing for such a low share price. With this company, their median by 2024 will be $7, and a high, which is what the stock will possibly go to, is $14 by 2024. Brookfield asset management firm. Here's the thing about this stock. In the past, they have done a 19.48% dividend yield. Currently today, it's only a 4.5% dividend yield. But this company's been established for a long time, has always been paying dividends out annually, has never skipped a year, so it is a great option because they've been established. The share is only 31.62. That's a really good share price for such a large company that's been established for a long time. And even though the dividends are only 4% right now, they could possibly go back up in the future. What is one thing that we all need? Oil, gas. The world runs off of it as of now, and Pioneer Natural Resource Company is a great option. Their share price is roughly around 208, so it is on the higher end, but their dividend yields will blow your mind because it's a 13.8% dividend yield. That is amazing. Another benefit to this company is they're in a good position for growth, seeing of the demand for it right now. As I'm sure you've seen at the pump, the gas prices being high. So this is a great stock to be able to get in for dividends because of that. They've also been established for a very long time, and they have shown that projected growth, therefore making it an awesome stock to get into. Last but not least is going to be Jefferies, which is a JP Morgan Equity Premium Income Fund. They're doing about 12% on average for a dividend yield annually, with an average share price of $54. The benefits to investing in an ETF compared to a normal stock would be that when the market goes down, like the recession that we're in today, that because your stocks are spread out through multiple and not just a single one, you are less likely to lose the overall return of that fund. And that's a great added benefit when you hit a recession, so this may be a great option. Investing in cheap dividend stocks can be a great way to build passive income while growing your investment portfolio. And they do offer high dividend yields, as we just showed you. As always, this is not financial advice. This is for content purposes, and make sure you hit that subscribe button and hit that like button and tell me what you want so I can give you the information you're looking for.